that is the brand new motor, number 2, I guess now. Just got installed today, and yes, it's got a hack job. Seems to be working though, which is good. US motor. Seem to be a hit or a miss, I guess, now. Yeah. Hopefully this thing will work fine this summer. Even though it's about 60 degrees out right now, it's not very warm. It is a little bit muggy in the house, so I'll probably keep this running for a little bit and then shut it off later tonight. So I'll go ahead and upload the video of this unit with the previous fan motor. Came over here yesterday and the fan motor wasn't turning. It was making the exact same sound as it was whenever I recorded it sometime last month when I stayed over here. And it really had me pissed, but oh well. It seems to be working fine now, at least. I hope. Hopefully I'm not gonna jinx it. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.